Today we are going to make a drawing world in Scratch. So I am going to explain each step really deep, and let's get started. So first, you want to drag out a when flag clicked, because this will start the project. Next, what you want to do is you want to delete this sprite and remove this cap. Don't draw anything, just leave it blank, because this sprite will be our pen. I'm going to name it pen, so it'll be more understandable. So now we're going to go back to code, and basically what we're going to be doing is on the code area on the bottom, there's this weird code add thing. Click on it and click pen. This will include code that will be necessary for making our game. So first, what you want to do is drag out this erase all, so that after you're done drawing everything in our game later on, it will be erased when the green flag is clicked. And now, what you want to do is you want to drag out a forever block. And after that, you want to drag out this if and else block. Currently, we're making a sensor for detecting if you're drawing or not. So first of all, you have to drag this from sensing, mouse down. And in this space, we're going to put, if I click, then we're going to put our pen down. And if we don't click, then we don't draw. So we're going to drag this pen up. So currently, if you start, nothing happens. And that's because we haven't set the color. So we're going to drag out a random color, and we're going to start. And it still doesn't work. So what happened? So there's another block. It's this. It says go to random position and go over here and click mouse pointer. And now watch what happens. I can draw. So now when you want to draw something, you can set the pen color to anything you want. That's all for today. Have a great day.